Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria, and today we're making a delicious Starbucks lemon loaf. My family loves this recipe. In fact, my son has requested that I make it again for his birthday this year. You'll need lemon juice, either freshly squeezed or from a bottle, vanilla extract, lemon extract, eggs, granulated sugar, salt, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, some butter, and some type of oil, and I recommend using coconut oil. Now let's get started. Prepare a 9x5 baking pan with brushing it with some oil and sprinkling it with some flour to make sure our cake will not stick, and preheat the oven to 350. In the medium bowl, we're going to combine our 1.5 cup of flour, and I've pre-measured it here, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And mix it all together and put it aside. Now in another bowl, we're going to combine our wet ingredients. 3 eggs, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter that's been softened, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, and 1/3 cup of our lemon juice. Mix it with an electric mixer. Now we're going to pour our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients, and we're going to blend it until it's smooth. Now we'll add the oil, and we're going to mix it well. Now we're going to pour the batter into our prepared 9x5 pan. And bake at 350 until the toothpick in the middle comes out clean. So it should be about 45 minutes. All ovens differ, so you'll know your own oven. I'm baking mine on convection bake, so I'm going to bake mine for 40 minutes. And the cake is done. We're going to let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes before we take it out of the pan, and then I'll transfer it onto a wire rack and let it cool off completely before we make the icing and frost the top. Okay, the cake has fully cooled down, so we're ready to make the icing now. We're going to use 1 cup of powdered sugar, and we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract, and 2 tablespoons of milk. You can use either the whole milk or 2%. I'm using 2%. And we're going to mix it with an electric mixer. You want to make sure, as I said, that your cake is totally cool. Otherwise, if it's still a little bit warm, your icing will spread and be more runny. And we're pouring this over the cake.